Hello friends, welcome to Fimes Tech. This is Oppo F15 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set ringtone in your phone Oppo F15. First of all, you need to go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on sound and vibration. Click on SIM1 ringtone. These are all the system ringtones. Just pick up any one, and this is selecting ringtone from your local files. If you have any music file in your local folder or memory card, you can choose that. In a similar way, you can set SIM to ringtone. You can choose from local files or you can choose from system ringtones. I choose this song, and these are all the system ringtones. Just you can select a tone, go back to activate. The next is SIM1 message tone. This is also similar to what I have done for ringtone. Just pick up from local files or pick up from system ringtones. Next, SIM to message tone. Select from local files or select from system ringtones. Go back to activate. Next, default notification ringtone. This is also similar to what I have done for ringtone and message tone. Just select from local files or select from system ringtones. Next, you can control some tones like dialpad tone, lock screen tone, vibrate on touch, fingerprint animation, sound, etc. Just you can turn on or turn off these options. In this way, you can easily customize ringtone on your phone Oppo F15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.